Hello students, so today we're going to learn about proportion with scale drawing. So I'm going to go over the notes with you, and you're going to do the panic at the same time for every slide that I go to. So the first slide we see there's an airplane, a big one and a small one, and of course this is going to be related with the scale drawing for the real model to the object, right? Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of geography in here. So we're gonna be in Asia again. So this one, Miss Fimster and Miss Holm are so happy that you can use math and learn Asia at the same time. So we are having real world problem for you. So first, you will draw a line from Beijing to Seoul. So you on your panic, let's take a moment. If you can find Beijing, and then you're gonna draw a line using any color and put down a line to Beijing to Seoul. So I'll give you a moment to do that. All right, if you can see, I can see Beijing is right here because this is belong to China. And then here is Seoul. That's a city in South Korea. So this is the distance from Beijing to Seoul. What is the map distance from Beijing to Seoul? So we can see this is Beijing again. This is Seoul. So how many inches they are? So this is student choose an option. So I think on your slide you will see like the multiple choices. So go ahead and pick one. So this is say 4 inches. Okay, next one. How can I find the real distance from Beijing to Seoul? Okay, so in every map you will see the scale, right? And you will use it to find out the real distance. Okay, so a map is a scale drawing. The measure on a map in proportion to the actual distance. If 1 inch on the map will be equivalent to 148 miles in actual distance. So the scale factor will be 1 inch to 148 miles. And you can see it right now in the key. Right? So this information right here, 1 inch stands for 148. I'm going to write it down this way in like a fraction forms or as a ratio. All right, so we are going to set up proportion to find the actual distance. Okay, so this is given, right? This is Beijing to Seoul. Remember, we just find out it's 4 inches a moment ago. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a cross product to find the actual distance, right? We can do cross multiply and divide. So we have 1 times x, we have 1x, okay? And then the other side will be 4 times 148. So I'm going to do math right here. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 4, 16, add 3, 19. 4 times 4, 1 is 4, add 1 is 5. So I have 592. Okay, so 1x will be 592 miles. So that's the real distance from Beijing to Seoul. Okay, so you can select the number, and that's how you do it. All right, so welcome to Vietnam. So this is where Miss Tran was born and raised for 18 years here. So I'm so proud that we're going to use a math problem in here. So what is the map distance from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City? So I'll give you a moment to choose an option. And remember, you can use the distance. So Hanoi is right here. And of course, this is Ho Chi Minh City. So how many inches? All right, it is 5 inches. All right, find the real distance from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City. So we're going to use the same scale given, 1 inch to 148 miles. And we just know, ooh, my bad, it is not exactly 5. It is just 4.8. I apologize that. Did I remember decimal matters? So don't forget this is just a decimal. So it's not equivalent to 5. It's just 4.8. My bad. All right, so we will put down student enter a number. So you're gonna cross multiply and find out what is the real distance from Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City. All right, I'll give you a moment. You can pause the video and do the math part and then compare the answer with me. All right, let's see if we have the same answer or not. So first we're gonna multiply the one with the x. So we have 1 times x is 1x. And then 148 times 4.8. So I'm going to multiply right here. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 4, 32. Plus 4, 36. 8 times 1 is 8. Add 3 is 11. Place value. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, 19. 4 times 1 is 4, add 1 is 5, and we're going to combine them. 6, 8, 10, and then remember the 1, so 6 adds 1, 7. All right, so you're going to check your math, and then check my math with me, right? Of course, I may make a mistake. So I have 708 and 610 miles. Okay. Hey, is that the fun facts? It's about me. Okay, so you have just learned about scale drawing, how to read a scale from a key, and then how to set up your proportion. What I want to show you is when you set up a proportion, please make sure that this side is inches, this side must be inches. And if this one is mile, this side have to be miles, right? So they have to be proportional, right? Or the other way that you can see, inches to mile will be the same with inches to miles. Oh, I actually shaded, my bad. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, I should not do that. All right, so you just have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in another lesson. Goodbye.